The week that was.
Jimmy and Tam started the week by renaming it.
For us, it's Gaganow week.
Gaganow.
Gaganow.
This is ours, and that's everyone else's.
What could possibly go wrong?
The kitchen that has been designed protrudes 700 mil into our hallway. We're not losing that hallway.
No.
It can't happen.
The way I see it, hallways don't sell houses,
Yep.
kitchens do.
That's a light bulb moment there, Dan. We've got so many tricks. The Gaganow, high ceilings, and our pocket doors that go
the hallway
into
the Butler's pantry.
And with so many secret weapons, they're already celebrating their win.
We're confident.
Yeah,
we
we're
are
really
confident we're going to win. It's big, it's beautiful, it's Brighton.
Yep,
Yeah.
it is.
The judge's journey into your kitchen today actually started in the butler's pantry, as the judges discovered the pocket doors in your hallway.
Look at that for a surprise.
And what did they find in there? Gaganow.
It's clear who won the Gaganow prize.
Wow.
Yep.
How incredible is that?
It's certainly a value add, that's for damn sure.
Neil described it as a butler's treasure trove.
Have you ever seen so many Gaganow appliances in a butler's pantry?
Lucky.
Darren was amazed at the colour palette.
Mint green and Gaganow and brass and oak and grey. It shouldn't work, but it all does.
Once again, Neil wasn't loving the open shelving.
But I have to say the mint green is kind of saving it because it's becoming like a cute detail.
But having lots of closed storage as well does save it because there's plenty of room for the messy stuff.
Look, I like it a lot more than next door.
What about this? I reckon that's an exciting... Oh, la, la, la. So all your messy stuff, your good stuff
OK,
there.
so you can play around with beautiful things.
Yes. And we've even got that beautiful display shelf there, which I think is stunning.
And then into the main event.
Keep it going, yeah. Yeah.
I kind of feel like I'm holding you guys.
Let's open the present.
All right. Jeez.
Oh, that terrazzo is gorgeous.
This is the first time we've seen gas as well today.
Yes.
The whole day. Everything else has been induction.
And Gaganow, once again, a wonderful inclusion.
This is amazing.
Well, in terms of feedback from the judges, you are now cooking with gas, aren't you?
Yes.
They love the colour choice of the Caesar stone on the island.
Oh,
Isn't that
once
beautiful?
again, not an island, but a continent.
It's fantastic. How beautiful is this dark charcoal with the mint green
Yeah.
and the brass?
Yeah.
Can we just, like, acknowledge the fact that shouldn't work?
Dark charcoal with mint green and brass shouldn't work.
It shouldn't work, but
That
it
shouldn't-
does.
It's beautiful. And then the fridge.
Look at over there. We have that wine fridge. We have a freezer, I think. Please don't tell me that is a fridge. Oh, my God. So it's touch. Look at the size of that. I mean, the trays you can fit in there. That is insane.
That is the ultimate.
In the wine fridge, Neil found literally thousands of dollars worth of wine in there.
Wow. This is a curated selection of fine vintage wines.
A very special fridge with some very special wines.
Wow.
This would have cost thousands.
You went out and bought all those wines and whacked them in.
We certainly did,
And
yes.
they're good quality. How much did you spend? Do you want to tell us?
We spent $5,000 on the wine.
$5,000 on the wine.
But it's an investment.
Yeah, of course. You sell the house with it.
Yeah.
$5,000 worth of wine in the brochure.
Exactly.
How much money have these people got?
It's kooky. I mean, this
Yeah.
is a kooky kitchen. This is not anything that you see in a catalogue and go, yeah, I'll have that, thanks.
But maybe you will now. Neil thinks it's so of the era, it just speaks to the 1950s, but also spot on for 2020.
I mean, this kitchen just feels so bespoke.
Yeah.
All of the kitchens today have felt highly individual, more individual than we've ever seen on the block
Yeah.
before.
Yeah.
But this one, to me, is truly bespoke.
Shona found the pendant slightly small in scale, but she was willing to excuse that.
I'm going to let that one go because I do feel like it works for the aesthetic of what they've got here.
What she was not willing to excuse were the what? You tell me.
The stools.
Stools.
The stools.
Yeah.
They are literally the height of the bench.
Oh, that is so disappointing.
Really disappointing.
I bet Jimmy and Tam put them in and just went, bummer.
Yeah.
You're going to have to get the stools right because this is going to need to be a hard-working dining area, according to Darren.
This is your everyday, every meal part of the house, which is kind of lucky because this is one of the narrower houses. And house one had an extra section at the end. If that's what they're left with dining and lounge.
The space to come for living and dining is mostly going to have to deliver living space.
All right, let's have a look at the functionality then. We've got a bin, yay. There is a PowerPoint
Good.
there.
Good.
Walking around and looking at it from every angle,
So the green contrast from here, and then you've got the panelling and you've got the display. It sort of looks great at every angle.
It's stunning, it really
is
is.
stunning.
And it's completely unique.
and it didn't come from Instagram. This is a really individually designed kitchen to suit this house, and it works with every other room.
This is a kitchen that says, come to my house,
Yes, it
come and
does.
play with me.
Kitchen with a real heart and soul to it.
Yeah.
Neil then summed up all the kitchens today, thinking back to his decades as an editor of Belle magazine and Vogue Living.
I would have wanted to publish all of these kitchens that we've seen today
Without a doubt.
because they're all completely unique and they're all trend-setting in their own way.
I never expected that each of these houses would be this exceptionally good. Every one of these kitchens would have won Kitchen Week on any other
Yeah.
block.
Wow, that's massive, eh?
That's it.
So good.
Yeah, the feedback was amazing. Like,
Yep.
we couldn't have asked for any better feedback, really.